Crude oil trade for today was taken in my most profitable pattern. Let's check out the analysis without wasting any time. But now, intro. Hey, let's start with a shout out to my friend Kevin, who gave me real good pep talk yesterday to speak loudly and be confident. So I'll try my best, Kevin. Thanks for that. So here we see my favorite pattern forming, triangle pattern, and it has already given a breakout. Let's see how that goes. Touching all the points, maximum points, 1, 2, here 3. Let me show this way. 1, 2, here 3, and 4. And on the upside we see rejections, 1, 2, and price being rejected here as well. Let me do this way. Yes. Here in the crude oil chart, we can see price has been facing rejection at 170 levels, 170 levels. Hence it is a round number. It gives more importance. So we'll also buy today at 170. When price reaches 170, we'll buy at that position. So the price is very close to 170, and we'll be taking position as soon as it reaches the mark 170. So long position here, yes, 170. We'll keep our stop loss below this swing low at 155, 15 rupees stop loss, and we'll keep our target at 1:1 ratio. You can see 2 rejections here on these candles. We'll keep a simple 1:1 ratio target. Let's see how it performs. The time is 10:30, and we can see prices came down continuously, 2 red candles. And in the crude oil futures, we can also see here price came down till 161. Our target and stop loss are still intact. Now once we are in the trade, there will be only 2 outcomes, either stop loss, either target. All the technical analysis we should be doing into the trade. Now we should just follow the rules. We should wait for a target or stop loss. Let's see how it performs. Time is 11:30, and we can see here market has just given a breakout. It became a high probability trade when we can see here this candle, green candle, this green candle, and this green candle are all bigger in size with compared to the red candles. And we can see volumes down here. 1 second. Here are on the higher side. This candle's volume is 141. We can see here in the future chart. We can also see. Let me remove this. We can see clearly and get the chart bigger. Here a stop loss was at 3155. Market came till 160 and gave a breakout here. Currently it is at 3175 and our target is 3185. 10 more points to go. Crude oil has again came lower. Here we can see market could not sustain these levels. We'll also check in futures long wick. Here our stop loss is still intact. Buying price, our stop loss is still intact at 3155. We bought at 3170 and price is currently at 3161. 5 points away from our stop loss. Let's see how it performs. We'll keep updated. The price has reached 155. Stop loss hit. Let's see what was today's analysis. Here, let me remove everything. So triangle pattern here, connecting all the dots. You can see a breakout on this candle, and from the downside here, connecting all the touches. My price gave a breakout, then it sustained for a while here, and after that a big green candle, but market could not sustain these levels and it came lower. Mistake accepted, and we'll close the system for the day. Only one trade, we have a rule to trade only one trade in a day. Thank you for watching.